Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl, and today I have a fun video. I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little gift set featuring the specialty materials, Thermoflex fashion patterns, and the specialty PSV fashion patterns. Now on the tray I used the fashion pattern in Christmas Trees 1, and then I used the Kelly Green and Old Gold PSV. And on the apron, I used Thermoflex Plus, Kelly Green, and Gold. And then I also used the Thermoflex Fashion Patterns in Christmas Trees 1. Now, I am going to show you how to put this together, but I did want to say a big thank you to Specialty Materials for partnering with me on today's video and for an amazing giveaway. We're going to give away 5 additional glitter scrap boxes, and the contest will end on December 11th of 2021. And all that you have to do is comment down below your favorite holiday memory and leave me a way to contact you. So, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Now, one of the things I love about the Thermoflex fashion patterns is it has the transfer tape built in. And if you've worked with any other printed HTV before, you know that it can be kind of a pain to remember to not mirror and you have to use a transfer tape. That is one of the reasons why this is my favorite printable. It's so easy to work with, and I love that you can get the prints that match in both adhesive and in heat transfer. Now, I did go ahead and weed this off camera to save on time. So I'm gonna lay out my apron. There we go. Lay that out nice and straight. And we're gonna start off with our gold layer. So we're gonna lay it pretty much right here. Now, the nice thing about this having a square neck on this apron is it makes it really easy to lay out, or at least in my opinion it does. So we have that laid out. Now I'm going to take and cover with my Teflon sheet. Now, because we're doing multiple colors, I won't heat the first one for the full 15 seconds. I will heat it for about 5 to 7 seconds just to get it stuck, because we are adding other colors as well. So we've got our gold layer down. And now we're going to take and move this so we can see it, because we want to line this up well. We're going to go ahead and line up our Kelly Green layer. There we go. Doesn't that look cute already, even without everything else on it? So we're gonna go ahead and heat that. Again, we're gonna heat this for about 5 to 7 seconds. And remember, this design is available on our Patreon page for our $4 or more a month Patreon supporters. And you don't have to support us that way. It is just something that I like to do to make everything easily accessible as well. So now we're going to add our print to this. There we go. Work on the layout. Make sure everything's lined up. Doesn't that look so cute though? I love this. Oh, I need to go up some on this side. There we go. And one of the things is, if you ever have any problems with things not wanting to line up, you can easily just trim these apart. I just like to have them put together because it does make some of this part a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my scissors just to make this, because the problem is when you're working with heat transfer vinyl is whenever you're heating it, it does change shape and size because it can stretch and all that fun kind of stuff. So if you're having any issues with stuff like that, you can just easily take and cut this apart to make it fit better. So there we go. Okay. I think I'm going to stick the Christmas ornaments on first, and then we'll put the letters. I would have weeded this all on camera, but I got my nails done for Jeremy's party, and it takes forever to do my nails. Okay. Or to weed stuff with these on. So we're going to go ahead and heat those on. 5 to 7 seconds. Give it a second. And again, it's a little bit harder to deal with whenever you've got nails. There we go. Now we'll put the text and the and. There we go. Cover. And now we're going to heat it for the full 15 seconds. Okie dokie. There we go. Doesn't that look adorable? So I'm going to go and swap the camera so I can show you how to apply the adhesive. Okie dokie. I started sticking this and realized my camera wasn't recording, so I'll just show you the rest of it. So I have it all nice and lined up. So now we're just going to take and squeegee it down. Hold on. Got to adjust this one a little bit. Let's go ahead and lift this side up, because sometimes you can have issues with it wanting to lift on you a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and stick the K and this Christmas ornament down. So it's just about lining everything up. I love how this looks. Tell me this isn't the most adorable little set that you've seen. I think it's phenomenal. So let's go ahead and stick that one right there. But look how adorable. I had to start recording this over again because the dogs started barking. But as you can see, look how cute that is. And I love how it perfectly matches the HTV. It goes together so well. Now remember, we are doing an extra giveaway of 5 scrap boxes this month. And all that you have to do is comment down below your favorite holiday memory, as well as a way to get in contact with you. But other than that, I guess that's it. I will see y'all next time. Bye.